Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today is quite an exciting one for me. I am going to be unboxing my Apple Pencil. So it's been 6 months since I got my iPad Pro. I will link the video of me unboxing that if you haven't checked it out already. For the first few months of having the iPad, I wasn't sure if I was going to get the Apple Pencil. It is a little bit pricey, so I thought about it, and then I stumbled upon a lot of videos unboxing the Apple Pencil and how to use it, so it kind of convinced me, and I love watching those videos. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna bite the bullet and just buy it. Let's see what happens. My dad was going to get it for me as a birthday present. He can get it on discount from like the veterans website where you can go to. He's retired US Navy. It was going to be a gift to me, but it never came into stock, and it was already April and I've had my iPad since January. So instead I just bought it from the Apple website. It was my first time shopping on there. I've only bought my Apple products through like my phone company, Best Buy, places like that. I've never went through them, and I saw that they did free personalization. So I got something written on my Apple Pencil, which you'll be seeing later on in the video. I'm super excited, and it's just a cute, fun touch, and I love personalized things. And download all those creativity apps that I've been seeing, so Procreate, Good Notes, all that fun stuff we'll be downloading later on in this video as well. So I'm super excited to unbox it. So the Apple Pencil came early this morning, and I've been tracking it like crazy ever since it was dispatched. I checked my email every hour to see where it was at. It was really fun to track where it was going and what places it was heading to. Of course, I'm going to sanitize it and do all that fun stuff, so just in case it has anything, I just want to be on the safe side, so I sanitized it a couple times. It had sanitizer. Enough with my blabbering. Let's just get into the exciting part of the video and unbox my Apple Pencil, shall we? Okay, of course we have to get the disinfectant wipes out because this package, I don't know where it's been, so I got some out, and my dad put it in this Target bag for me. That's why you see it in the background. He put it in the Target bag, so I got the wipe, took it out, and then I scrubbed it down with the disinfectant wipe. I did it all over the place. Like, I rubbed that thing good and disinfected it and tried to make sure I got all the corners and everywhere like you touch the package, because I have no idea where this package came from and who touched it and if it's been touched. So I'm trying to be really safe, and I sanitized it really good. Then after I disinfected it, I did some hand sanitizer, so I have this on my desk, so whenever I need to just sanitize my hands, I just been doing that. So took care of that. Now I'm taking my handy dandy hot pink scissors, but then I realized that you don't really need to open it with scissors. There's already a tab to open it, so I was going to do it here, and then I saw, oh look, a tab, and then I pulled it and it automatically started coming off. So I took the scissors away and just did it myself, and it was so easy to open up. And this is the exciting part. I love opening packages, and I thought it was like just removable, but it was like attached to the cardboard. So again, I'm using the disinfectant wipe, and even though it's in plastic, I'm still disinfecting it. I don't know, I was just trying to be safe. Then I took the plastic off of it and just slid the Apple Pencil out, or the box of the Apple Pencil. And then again, even though it's plastic wrapped, I wiped it down. I don't know, I'm just paranoid, so I wiped everything down because it's better safe than sorry. So finally, we have the Apple Pencil, and I didn't really do a good job like opening it up. Like, even with my iPad unboxing, it's not the most satisfactory kind of like peeling. So yeah, I managed to get the plastic wrap off, and then finally we can open up the box. I just slid it out like a drawer, and then you unveil the Apple Pencil. This was my favorite part. I wish I recorded my reaction, but I couldn't get my other cam recording because I only have one tripod, and just it was so hard to angle the shot. But here's the Apple Pencil. It didn't have the writing at first, so I had to turn it over to look at it, and I love that it's personalized and it's just so cute. So again, I'm taking the plastic off of it. Man, it has a lot of plastic wrapping, doesn't it? So here it is, and the personalization I put was my name, Jackie Michelle, so you know it's my pencil. So now I'm just putting away the box. I have so many Apple boxes now, and it's going to go in the collection of my Apple boxes. Then we have my iPad Pro. So I'll link this case as well. It's so pretty. It's in my hot pink shade. Here is the home screen of my iPad, and then this was so exciting for me. I always wanted to do the magnet, so I put it on and it recognized it, so I got to connect my Apple Pencil and do all that fun steps and press continue and do all that sort of stuff, draw with it. But at this point, I noticed that my camera was running out of memory, so I thought this wasn't recording. See, I even hit the camera, but it wasn't. So it caught me doing the whole setup of the Apple Pencil, which I am grateful for. It actually stopped recording as I was getting done with it. It's not what I expected writing with it. I still have to get used to it, especially the double tapping. I'm like used to a regular pencil or erasing instead of double tapping, so I just have to get used to this. Of course, the first thing I did was color with my Apple Pencil. That was the most exciting thing for me to do. So I opened up my coloring app, and it was so satisfying just to color with the pencil, because I'm so used to doing it with my finger, like tapping the screen, but now I have the pencil, so I had to do that. So I did a bit of coloring and playing around with it, so that was super fun. Then I went to another app, the Scribble app, and I just played around with it, tested my handwriting. I don't have the best handwriting. Right here, I'm just like messing around, trying to type out my username or write out my username. I mean, I'm so used to saying typing. I'm writing now. Then we're gonna go to my notepad. I have a list of all the apps that I want to download once I got the Apple Pencil. So I got to check off Procreate on that list. Finally, it was the first one, and I get to check it off in this video. So yeah, I have a few iPhone apps that I want to download and iPad apps. It's really handy so I don't forget what I have to download. Now we're on the Amazon app, and I wanted to show you this Apple Pencil case that I really want. It's been out of stock for like months now, and this is the only hot pink one I've found. I've searched the internet high and low to find a hot pink Apple Pencil cover, and I found one, but it's out of stock. But good news, right after I filmed this, I went to the site and it actually had it in stock, so I ordered it. So it was like fate or a coincidence or something. Next, we're moving on to the App Store. I haven't downloaded Procreate yet, so this is just the process of me downloading it. I had to cut out all the other parts of it because I didn't have my Apple account. I didn't have my Apple ID on my iPad, so I had to do all that fun stuff. But I opened Procreate for the first time, and you may have noticed I hold the Apple Pencil weird. It is new to me and I'm not used to it, but also I've always been bullied and made fun of how I hold a pencil in general. So yeah, I'm just letting you know. This is just how I hold a normal pencil anyways, and I know it's a little bit weird, but yeah, that is how I write. I cannot change it. So yeah, I can't wait to have fun with this and draw and do all this fun stuff. So I can't wait to play with Procreate with all these different like settings and figure it all out. And yeah, I managed to find a brush that I liked, and this is the first thing I wrote on it. So my handwriting, as I said, isn't the best. but here is how I'm using it. It was so fun getting to unbox my Apple Pencil. Stay tuned for more of me learning how to use this, because I know this is going to be such a handy tool. Let me know what else I can do with the Apple Pencil and other apps. If you have any recommendations down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. That is it for me unboxing my Apple Pencil as well as downloading all those fun apps. I can't wait to learn more about it, try them out, experiment, play. I'm super excited for it. I'm gonna spend the whole evening playing around with all those apps. And that is it for Friday's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I will link everything that I mentioned down below in the description, as well as all of my social medias. I have Instagram, and you can check out my fashion blog, which is fashionxfairytale.com. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!